In this video, I'm going to share with you the easiest way to earn money online. I will share 5 websites with you that pay you for sharing a file. So let's start the video. The first website is Up Forever. It is free cloud storage where you can upload any file. It's an Arabian site for profit from uploading. It offers high rates per download. Up Forever pays up to $7 per 1000 download. It offers the best rates per download and you can expect somewhere between $3 to $7 per 1000 downloads depending upon the downloader's country. The second website is File Upload. It is one of the most popular pay-per-download networks. It pays about $7 for Group A countries such as United States of America, United Kingdom, Canada, and for other countries it pays $3 for every 1000 downloads of your uploaded files. The third website is Drop Galaxy. It is also one of the popular file upload and earn money website. It's a new website compared to other sites available in this niche. You can earn up to $15 per 1000 downloads. The fourth website is File4Net. It's another make money from home opportunity. You can upload files and images here. It pays you as per the number of downloads. Download rates start from $1.5 to $9.9 depending upon the country of the downloader. The fifth website is Veryfiles.com. It is another upload file and earn money site. It is a file hosting provider which provides remote file backup, online storage, upload and downloading tools. You get a $1 bonus on sign up. It has an attractive per 1000 download rate. It pays up to $24 per 2000 downloads. As a registered user, you get 120 GB of free space where you can store your files. So I hope you found this short video helpful. See you in the next one.